got sneezed on, Lolly. You got sneezed on.
Came out my face for a molly walking in your mouth.
You got sneezed
Get
on.
came out my face for a molly walking in your mouth.
She got sneezed on. Ooh. It's Team Bree. Team Bree. Team Bree Bree.
You on my face.
She got sneezed on. I was making something in the kitchen and she got sneezed on. I should have used this, but she got sneezed on anyway. She thought it was real. And it's on her shirt and she ain't never gonna do that. It was on my finger. Just don't leave you alone, tiny ones. My uncle got some Venus traps and I didn't know they was up there. Did you? No. That's why I'm not messing with them. Well, anyway, I put. She gonna be stinking for the rest of it, cause she don't know I put vinegar in it. So, dry my hands off, cause that's what I need to do. Since I just did that, so. Bye, it's Bree Breeze. It's hashtag Bree Breeze.